As you can see, the intro I have for this video, I got from Capcut. Let's go to the Capcut site with this link https://tinyurl.com/bdd98vfe. You will fall on this page. Here you have the option of downloading the software or working on their site. Once you've registered, you will then go to the next page. On this page, you will see a few menus. You will look down the social media list and click on the thumbnail link, which will bring you to the thumbnail page. You will type the word intro on the top right box. You will then be sent to a page with intro templates. Here you find many free intro templates. I've chosen one as an example to go through the procedure to download it. As you can see, I chose the first intro, hello. Here you can pick a background color or upload your material. Review your intro to make sure that you are satisfied. At the top right corner, you will see the link to export. Here on this page the original aspect ratio. Here you find 16:9 for YouTube ads, 4:3 for LinkedIn and Facebook, a 2:1 ratio, a 9:16 for TikTok ads. TikTok and Instagram and last Instagram that also use 1.1 for Instagram posts. Once you've picked the ratio of the social media you want to post on, push the export button. You will then see another menu drop down. Share your video for review. Share it as a presentation. Here you will also find links to the different social media like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and others. Once you've picked the social media that you want to be on, you will be sent to another page. Here you find your export settings. You will the video cover you have chosen. The next box will be for the title of your video. The next box will be the resolution that you have chosen. The recommended quality of your video. The frame rate where you will see 30 frames per second. Then you can choose the format that you would like. MP4 works great, and finally once again export your video. Your video is finished. You will see another download button. If you want, you can send your finished intro video to your hard drive. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel Cyber-Theo to get my future videos and check my links below.